Welcome to 1934 Powell Street. This is a top floor, 6-bedroom, 3-bath apartment that's available for lease. It was just completely redone from top to bottom, so it's like leasing a new home. There's a fairly big staircase that leads to entry landing and the kitchen. The kitchen has gray cabinets, all new LG stainless appliances, include the refrigerator with beverage service and a bottom drawer freezer, an LG dishwasher, and an LG gas range with hood, granite counters with a granite backsplash. Off the kitchen, 2 doors. One is to the individual new hot water heater, so you should have unlimited hot water. And the second to an LG washer and dryer, all brand new. It's a little space here, you could have an eating area. And the kitchen opens right up to the living room. There's a bay window. There's a really great view up towards Russian Hill. And then this way, you look towards, you actually have a full shot of Alcatraz, the headlands, and then across the street is this park. The living room's nice size. Throughout, there's high ceilings and recessed lighting. You have a period fireplace. Nice, bright, open floor plan. Plenty of living space. This is the master suite, master bedroom, just meaning it has its own bath. You can see it also has the recessed lighting and another bay window with the same view. And from this one, you actually see a span of the Golden Gate Bridge there. The bath for this master. It's all natural stone tile. This is kind of a grayish pink, maroon pink. Looks like a marble countertop, nice vanity. Beautiful floor. And a closet, shelves. Here is the second bedroom. And all the windows, except the bay windows in the front, which are just impossible to change, are brand new double pane windows. This room. It's a good closet, and also the recessed lighting. Here's your entry staircase from up here. And then a hallway, which is going to lead to 2 full baths and 4 more rooms. When you step in the bath, the light comes on. This one has similar tile. I think it's a little lighter than the master, and then that wall is tiled. Right next door to it is the second full bath. I believe it's identical to the other bath. And then we have 4 rooms. This one has a bit of a nook angle to it. So you put your bed over there and then a dresser desk area here. A little bit of a view of the Russian Hill if you look up. And a good sized closet, shelves. It also has a whole new central heating system. Across the way, room 4. You don't really see much through the window of this one, and it does not have a closet. It's still a reasonable size. To the left, room 5. It has 2 windows. And through this one you see the spires of the North Beach Cathedral there. And then it looks out onto the neighbors' places. And it has a back door that could be accessed from the street through the service passageway. And then you get a little bit of a outdoor area off the back of this room. And the final room is a double door closet. And it just looks out onto the back of the neighbors' buildings, and you get a peek of the cathedral there. A pretty big closet with shelves. Throughout the flat, there's all new hardwood floors also, and they're quite nice. If you're interested in leasing this apartment on Powell Street, visit billharkins.com or call 415-305-5311. Have a great day.